YouTube? Today I'm gonna be testing my new GoPro. Damn. What's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna be testing my new GoPro Hero 12 and we're gonna see if it's gonna be perfect for those Mexico nights. But I'm gonna just walk out right now. It's cold, but I'm gonna do like a little walk around and then we're gonna get back in the car. Woo. That is cold as hell. The car is dirty, but she looks good. Okay, I think that should be like a pretty good. Alright, let's get it. Houston weather is so weird. It's cold right now. I think it's gonna be cold for the rest of the week. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't hear me now. But I think it's gonna be cold for the rest of the week. But let's get into the video. We're just gonna be testing like the new GoPro, see what it looks like, see what it feels like, and then I'm gonna see if I should make more content like this, like POV drives. Obviously, whenever I race, this is the new view. You guys can see me shift, do everything. Should be fun. All right, I have to go sideways every time because of my front splitter. Okay, looks like I'm good. Slowly. And we did not scrape. There's a cop right there. Well, downshift. Oh yeah, that bitch sounded good. Alright, so far so good. If I roll the windows down, I'm pretty sure the lighting is gonna get better. I mean, what I could always do is turn on these lights, but mine are blue, so I don't really want that because the cops, I'm pretty sure they're gonna find a reason to pull me over if it's like this. But so far, I'm really liking this POV. You know, it's a little cool, you know, a little cool view. I think the camera is gonna look crazier like in the daytime, but it is Sunday. I took a nap and you know how that goes. Downshift. Bro, I downshift everywhere. I'm gonna do that pull. I think there's an opening right here. And this truck. Alright. are opening right here. All right. Hell yeah. Okay, that was fun. Alright y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm really just testing out the GoPro, see what it looks like, get used to it. Alright y'all, peace.